Hey everyone, so I am on Hour of Code right now, about to start my first coding experience. So I have chose the Grinch because I love the Grinch. Also grades 2 to 8, which is very low level, but that's kind of where I'm at with my skill set. So I'm going to just start low and see if I can do it. So we will get started and we will just begin. Alright, so lesson 1. It's time for us to save Christmas. We've got to capture all the presents to deliver back to Whoville. Let's use an algorithm to program our drone to move forward one block to pick up some presents. Okay, so we just want to move right. When run, move right. Okay, yay. So let's try do it a little further. Another right, run. Perfect. Now we want to fly over some trees. Okay, so I don't want to hit that tree, so I'll need to go right, and then I'll have to change this one to up, and then right. I hope that's correct. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so just keep doing it, I guess. So we need to go right, up, right, right, down. Okay, and I'm also noticing here that they have this workspace, how many blocks I need and how many blocks they've used. That's very helpful because I was just starting to have to count them out, so that's helpful to know that I have the right amount. Awesome. Alright, let's do it again. So right, up, right, right, down. We'll have to go down again. And then to the right. And then to the right. And then back up. Oops, back up. Yay! Alright, so it's time to hop on the sled. Speed up, slow down, jump. Those will be my controls. Okay, so when the right arrow is pressed, we will speed up. Okay. Now we need to jump. And the up arrow will let us jump. So speed up. Oh, I missed it. I did not press the right button. I was using the controls on my laptop, which might be easier to use the ones on the screen. I don't know. Let's try it. Oh, there we go. Okay. There are some reindeer in the way, so we need to be able to slow down. Perfect. Ooh, I jumped too many times. What? Okay. I guess I hit the reindeer. Seems fake, but that's okay. And slow down. Yay, okay, good. Now jump over some trees. I'm finding that using my laptop panel is easier for the jumping, actually. So, that's good to know. So now we want him to bark them away. And we will do that by down arrow. Okay, good. Now we want to throw some snowballs at decorations. So we'll see how that goes. So we'll need another one of these. Throw. And we'll do the space bar. So speed and then throw. Speed up. Throw. Okay, great. So now we will keep track of score when I catch a present. So now we're turning into an actual game where I can get something from it. So program the game to add 50 points. Okay. How did I not get it? Oh, I forgot to put when touching. Okay, there we go. Made an easy mistake. Alright. Great, there we go. Just gotta read the fine print sometimes. Let's use an event listener to change the sound. Okay, we can do that. So when touching a present. Wow. Sure, we'll try wow. Sounds nice. Alright, let's do something else now. Automated system. Okay, so our sleigh's automatically gonna bark now every time we get close to a reindeer. So I don't even have to do anything at this point. That's pretty cool. It's just like a car alarm. I don't even have to touch it anymore. Alright, so now we're gonna program the sleigh to throw snowballs as well, I guess. Interesting. Okay. Oh my goodness, we're now training the sleigh to jump. This is crazy. Taking my job. I don't even have to do anything anymore. I just gotta sit back and watch. Okay. Let's get the sleigh to jump over the trees as well. Alright, let's do it. Oh, because I didn't fill them all in. Okay, that was my bad. I thought they were just automatically going to be filled in, but they were not. Throw and bark. Okay, let's do it again. Yay! All this bouncing broke the jump system. You can still use the bag system to steer the sleigh while you take a nap. Let's move the sleigh out into an empty lane to avoid the trees. So if a tree is near, I didn't even know you could do it. So use this. So if lane 1 is free, and if lane 2 is free, and if lane 3 is free. So if lane 1 is free, okay. So if lane 3 is free, you'd want to move to lane 3, and if lane 2 is free, you'd want to move to lane 2. Okay, I don't even know if I did that right, but we're just gonna watch and see what happens. Awesome, look at that. Da, da, da. Okay, so I only have a few more, I only have the 2 more levels to go, but I am watching my timer for screencasting and it does seem to be running out. So I'm just going to stop this here, and if you go to my blog and continue to read on it, you will be able to see what I thought about my experience. But thanks for watching.